let you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Doneisha, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you all how to do individual lashes. This is actually my first time ever doing individual lashes, and they actually came out pretty good. So if I could do it, you could do it too. So the directions states to pour a few drops of adhesive onto a piece of aluminum foil, but as you can see, I'm just using a glue pocket that came with the trio lashes. Dip the knotted end of the lash into the adhesive and place the lash right above your natural lash and hold for a few seconds. But I watched a couple videos, and most of them they went under, so I'm gonna try to go under instead of on top of my lashes so I can get that more natural look. I'm gonna start with the trio lashes because obviously it comes with more. I'm so scared, y'all. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to start in the middle, if I want to start on the end, but I attempted to start in the middle, but that didn't work because it ended up coming off, because when it was time for me to hold the lash, I held it where I put the glue where the knots were, and bad decision. So when you do yours, don't hold it where you put the glue at, because it's gonna stick to the tweezers and then come off your eye, and then you're gonna have to do it over and over and over again. So as you can see, I'm trying again. This time I'm starting on the end. I didn't want to start too far, you know, where my hairs end at, because I really don't like that look to where it's like the lashes look like they falling off your eye or something. As you continue to do it, it'll become more and more easy. But yeah, you don't want, and another thing, you don't want to put it on your waterline, period. It looks like it's very close to my waterline. It is close to my waterline, but it's actually like on my lash hairs. So keep that in mind, because you don't want to burn your eye. And after each one, you do want to, you know, get you a fan, or if you don't have a fan, do like I'm doing and just fan with your hand. Don't rush. Take your time. I think it took me like an hour to do this, because I was trying to make sure I got everything right and trying to make sure I don't poke myself in the eye, make sure I don't get glue in my eye. Yeah, people don't play about their eyes, so I know you don't play about your eyes either. So just take your time. So now I'm starting on the single short lashes, and I'm just going to take those and, you know, put them in the spaces that I see just to thicken my lashes up, because you could just stop right there if you want that extra natural look, but I like mine to look a little more dense, if you would say. So yeah, if you're fine with the natural look, you stop right there. But if you want it to be more dramatic, more full, then just go in and add those in between those spaces. I ain't gonna lie, if these last 2 weeks at least, I might not never have to go back and go get mink lashes again, because for what? Like, that's about $200 a month that you spending on lashes, and you can just go to the beauty supply store, grab you some of these, and you will be out with like $15 at the most. Yeah, you can't lose with these. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. But I'm just trying to see if I want to add some more like in my inner corner. I did end up adding more to the inner corner, like about 2. So now I'm going to do the other side and we will be done. If you do decide to try this on yourself and it comes out good, or if you have a hard time, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you did enjoy the video, and comment down below some more videos that you would like to see from me to help me out, because the more views and likes that I get, it motivates me even more to keep on trying to push content out for you all. So yeah, I appreciate your time and thank you for watching.